All right, Scott, thanks much. Those damage totals are widespread across all of Siouxland tonight, and even as the strong winds subsided, Mother Nature was creating chaos. Multiple fire crews were called to a farm near Emerson, Nebraska, after a lightning bolt struck a barn there, causing it to go up in flames. Authorities on the scene tell us that no one was injured, but that barn tonight is gone. It's a total loss.
And as we mentioned, the damage does stretch from northeast Nebraska all the way to northwest Iowa. This is video from Sioux County, where many tree branches were downed in this storm, but buildings also had some siding peeled away and shingles ripped from the roofs of houses.
Damage in Nebraska includes these from images out of Laurel, Nebraska tonight. You can see a toppled part of a homestead there onto a deck. Farm buildings also losing a roof or two, and as we mentioned earlier, siding, shingles being strewn just about wherever you looked.
And next, we do have some security camera footage. This is from Laurel, Nebraska. You could see there the storm whipping the leaves off of the trees, high wind blowing the rain, and there again were reports of hail in that area.
Visibility certainly down to zero in many places, especially with a storm that packed a punch that included, well, lots of dust. Our dry conditions helped produce this wall of dust many people saw rolling ahead just ahead of the severe weather.
That's right. The beginning of that front, it didn't matter if you were in the city or out in the country. Thick, dark dust was filling the sky. In many places, it looked like something you would see in a movie.